So hi everybody, and we want to talk about making something useful to to create easily evaluation for your students. So what do I want to do is to create a way to give evaluation with using Tkinter to make it easier. So first thing that I want to do is to let me show you what I have here into in Word, and I okay, these are the evaluation grids that should help to evaluate a work of a student, but it's pretty complicated and it's a lot of um, a lot of paper. Now to make it easier, I have synthesized this grid here with indicators and the descriptors of the level here, and mm, the score of the rank of each level, and from the sum of these we will have the evaluation for each question of a possible test, so made of questions. And in this way we should make more compact way to see those indicators. And so when we have knowledge here, knowledge, let's say ability and linguistic capacity, so we have three different evaluation of the way the students answer to the questions. And so they goes from 0.5 to 5, the first one, from until to 3 and 2. So the maximum is 5 plus 3 plus 2, that is 10. And then we will have the sum of all the scores for all the ranks for all the questions, that is the maximum is 40. And then we bring back it to a scale of 10. And so this is the rank of the test. So we want to make it, we could make it here by selecting our numbers here and making them um, black so that they are visible. And let's say we do so, then here we put the sum of these two. This is 4 4.5, or in Italian it would be 4,5, and so on. And okay, we want to make in Python. So first thing, I need to refresh my memory and go understand how to use the Tkinter for this. So import Tkinter SDK is the first thing that we are going to do. Root equal tk dot tk to open the window, and root dot main loop to make it active. So let's save this file into a new project file that we will call grid evaluation grid. And let's call it this evaluation dot py. So we have this window here with nothing in it. So now I need to start point making this. Let's put the name of the student here, like an entry. We pack it, make it visible. Let's put lib name equal tk.label to show what the entry is about. So this is it, label and the name, and I want to put it into a frame. So this will become frame 1, and so frame1.pack. So nothing changes. Oh, okay. Nothing changes, but let me pack this to the left. So there it is, our name of the student. So what we want to do now is to put knowledge this the first question, so this is just the name, so we want to put this into a function that we will call name it, just to show it more easily. Now we are going to make the questions. Question evaluation. Let me just grab this. Okay, now we have a name and question 1. Okay, and now we should have question 1 rank. Okay, so we have our grid here of, okay, the name Martin Smith. Then we have here, we can have 1, we have 2, we can have 1, we can 2, 1, 2, we can 3 dot 1 dot 2 dot 1, 2 dot 1 dot 2. Okay, and so on. Now let's add a button down here. Let's call it point. And now we need to have Let me add some score here to the questions. Calculate points. Oh, there it is. So 1 1 2 2 2 2 3 2 1 and 2 3 1. Calculate points. Oh no, insert the type plus plus int int. Okay. Okay, now we have 29 here. So we get our points. It's we want to choose here from each one of these, the numbers without having to write. We're gonna check some list or run some options value, something like this. But for now, we wanna leave it like this, and we just wanna calculate here print in tenth in decimal in a scale of 10. It's let me see if I put the maximum here. 3 2, it should be 10 to see just if everything was fine. Okay, it's 10, so okay. And well, this is Pretty basic for now, but we in the next post we wanna make something a little more simple and fast to use to grade our students and to finally make something like this automatically printed and maybe even in a more compact way. And so I hope did you enjoy it, this way to make it. And what to get here, a missing white space. Let's make it prettier. No unexpected space here. For the pep 8. Missing white space around operator. Maybe here. Too many blank lines. In here what we have, missing white space around arithmetic operator. Then what's wrong here? Two blank line. Two blank line after the function, missing the white space around the operator. Here I think we get this. Here I think we get this. Here I think we get this and this. And maybe okay, now it's good. So that is our little window here with the Tkinter and to evaluate students with a grid, evaluation grid. So that's all for today. We will see in another post what we can do more about this. Thank you.